Hi everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'm sharing a tutorial on how I use and maintain this manual pump. This specific model uses a reliable mechanical design that is very straightforward to operate. It comes with a comfort cushion, a sturdy bottle, and an easy-to-grip handle that provides full control. The clear markings on the side are great for accurate tracking. After showing you the bottle's capacity and how the system functions, I'll walk through the cleaning process. I simply disassemble the parts, wash them in warm soapy water, and air dry.